What is it that you think that you said was wrong with this?
The water valve.
Water valve. Part that went back.
That's it. Well, that's the one we're 99% sure of. They never have a 100% guarantee on any of this stuff. Okay. Let's see.
We bought this rack for the back of our, we had a hitch put on our Liberty that we pulled behind the RV. We bought a rack for the back so we can carry propane tanks and not have to put it underneath the coach. That's a big no-no. And bikes and stuff like that. And this one actually folds up against the Jeep. So I'm just going to put it together out here today. I hope you enjoy it. Little time lapse. This is what it looks like once it gets put together. Well, I got the thing together, but as usual, there was one bolt missing, and I looked everywhere for it. It'll be easy to get. I'll just pick one up at the hardware store and put one in. I plan on buying a lot more reflectors for it because my wife indicated to me that I didn't put them in the right spot. Also, when you take pictures like this, you realize how overweight you are. So that's one of my biggest goals right away when we go full time, is to take a lot of this weight off of me. Hope you enjoyed the video.